Assalamu alaikum. Are you ready to draw something fun today? We are going to draw a super cool boat. It is very easy. So let's get started. First, let's draw the bottom part of our boat where people sit. Imagine a big U shape but a bit wider. Very good. Now let's add the part that helps our boat move with the wind. Now draw the tiny flag like this. A big curved line. Another curved line. Very good. It is the sail. Our drawing is complete. Next, my favorite part, coloring. Let's make our boat colorful. For the bottom part of the boat, let's choose a nice brown color. Color it in carefully, staying inside the lines like this. Pick a direction and try to stick with it for each section. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Let's add some wavy blue water like this. Very good. Now for sails, let's make one sail yellow and the other sail green. First we use yellow color. Color in one direction to make it neat. Try to stay within the black lines like these. Great job. You did it very well. Next we use green color. A very bright color. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Don't forget the little flag. Let's color that red like this. Very good. And there you have it. Your boat is ready. Allah Hafiz.